In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes. If you want a simple way to make a spreadsheet more interactive and easier to use, adding checkboxes is a great option. Checkboxes are perfect for things like task trackers, to-do lists, attendance sheets, approval lists, or any situation where you want to mark something as complete or incomplete with just one click. The process is quick, and once you know where to find the option, you can add them in just a few seconds. To get started, first highlight the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. This is important because the checkboxes will be inserted directly into the cells you select. You can choose just one cell if you only need a single checkbox. Or you can select a whole range of cells if you want to add multiple checkboxes at the same time. For example, if you are building a checklist, you might highlight an entire column next to your list items so each row gets its own checkbox. Taking a moment to select the right cells first will save time and help keep your sheet organized. Once your cells are selected, go to the Insert tab in the top menu. From there, choose the checkbox option. As soon as you click it, the selected cells will be filled with checkboxes automatically. This makes it very efficient, especially if you are working with a larger table or checklist. If you do not see the result right away, just double-check that the correct cells were highlighted before using the Insert menu. After the checkboxes have been added, using them is very simple. Just click on any checkbox to toggle the checkmark on or off. When clicked, the box changes between checked and unchecked, letting you quickly update the status of whatever that row represents. This is useful for tracking progress in real time and gives your spreadsheet a much cleaner and more visual workflow than typing words like yes, no, done, or pending. A helpful tip is to place checkboxes beside labels or tasks so it is always clear what each one refers to. This keeps your data easy to read and prevents confusion later on. You can also test a few checkboxes after inserting them just to make sure everything is working the way you want. That's all it takes to add checkboxes and start using them in your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.